If you're tired of spending time grinding beans, measuring coffee, and watching the espresso temperature, then this video is for you. Today we're taking a look at the best automatic coffee machines, the ones that combine simplicity, speed, and quality so you can enjoy a perfect cup of coffee in just seconds. Whether you love intense espressos, creamy cappuccinos, or smooth lattes, these machines handle every step for you. From grinding the beans to frothing the milk. Stay with us because you're about to discover how to enjoy a true barista-style coffee experience at home without any hassle. As always, you'll find the product links in the description. With that said, let's get started with the list. Number 3. Black Decker. The Black & Decker 12 is designed to offer simplicity and accessibility. Measuring 12 inches high, 7 inches wide, and 9 inches deep, its compact design fits easily into any kitchen. The plastic housing keeps it lightweight and practical, while the glass carafe with a 12-cup capacity features clear water-level markings for easy filling. The machine includes a removable filter basket and a straightforward flat-button control panel, allowing you to program your brew so your coffee is ready exactly when you want it. It also features a convenient pause function. You can remove the carafe mid-brew to pour a cup, as long as you replace it within 30 seconds to prevent overflow. Before the first use, it's recommended to clean the machine using either a paper or permanent filter. For deep cleaning, you can run a mixture of 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of water through the system, followed by 1 or 2 carafes of fresh water to rinse. To prepare your coffee, pour water into the reservoir without exceeding the maximum level. Make sure the filter basket is properly installed, add your ground coffee, then close the lid until you hear a click. Press the on-off button to start brewing. The drip stop system lets you remove the carafe to serve coffee without major spills. Brewing 4 cups takes a little over 4 minutes, and once complete, the warming plate keeps your coffee hot for up to 2 hours before the machine automatically shuts off. As for taste, the resulting coffee is well balanced, neither too strong nor too mild, offering a pleasant experience for everyday use. This machine is ideal for those looking for a simple, affordable, and functional coffee maker without any unnecessary complexity. Its intuitive operation and easy maintenance make it a practical choice for any kitchen. In summary, the Black & Decker is a reliable and convenient solution for coffee lovers. It can brew up to 12 cups at once, striking a perfect balance between capacity, speed, and convenience. With its clean design, intuitive controls, and effortless maintenance, it's suitable for both beginners and anyone who wants an uncomplicated daily coffee. While the taste may not be exceptional, it's pleasantly balanced, and the programmable timer plus automatic 2-hour warming feature add real comfort to everyday use. Number 2. Philips 3200 series. This fully automatic coffee machine is designed to simplify the preparation of your favorite hot drinks. It comes equipped with an easy-to-attach milk frother, allowing you to make cappuccinos, lattes, and other milk-based specialties. You can use it with regular milk or plant-based alternatives such as almond milk. The bean hopper is located on the top of the machine, and the built-in grinder grinds the coffee fresh for each cup. It's recommended to test your coffee before adjusting the grind settings. If you prefer to use pre-ground coffee, a dedicated compartment is provided. The water tank is easily removable thanks to a convenient handle, and an integrated filter helps ensure water quality. Maintenance is simple. Several parts can be removed for regular cleaning, ensuring your coffee always tastes fresh. The control panel is intuitive and lets you choose from several drink options: single or double espresso, single or double coffee, cappuccino, latte, or simply hot water. The machine also includes settings to adjust coffee strength, serving size, and milk froth density for cappuccinos and lattes. The brewing process is entirely automatic. Once you've selected your drink, the machine grinds the beans, brews the espresso, and if needed, heats and froths the milk. The height of the coffee spout is adjustable to fit cups or glasses of different sizes. It reaches high brewing temperatures to deliver very hot coffee, and each beverage is ready in just a few moments. For double shots, the machine performs 2 consecutive brewing cycles to fill your cup, still automatically and effortlessly. The resulting coffee is rich and well balanced, and the machine offers the flexibility to customize each beverage according to your taste, whether you prefer stronger intensity, larger volume, or a creamier milk texture. With its complete feature set, ease of use, and simplified maintenance, this model stands out as a practical and efficient solution for those who want barista-quality coffee at home. In summary, this automatic coffee machine combines versatility, comfort, and performance, enabling you to prepare a wide variety of hot drinks with minimal effort while allowing full personalization of every cup. Its intuitive operation, easy cleaning, and consistent coffee quality make it an ideal choice for demanding coffee lovers seeking both convenience and taste satisfaction. Number 1. Dynamica. The Dynamica is a super automatic coffee machine that completely simplifies the preparation of your favorite beverages. It takes care of every step, from grinding the beans to dispensing the espresso, including dosing and disposing of coffee grounds. Every function is managed through an intuitive touchscreen display, while the latte crema system automatically froths the milk to a dense, creamy texture perfect for any milk-based drink. This machine can prepare a wide variety of beverages, including cappuccinos, single or double espressos, espresso macchiatos, flat whites, lattes, and even iced coffee using the True Brew over Ice function, which brews coffee directly from freshly ground beans. It can also brew 2 cups simultaneously while maintaining consistent quality for each drink. The water tank located on the side of the machine is transparent and easily removable, making it simple to fill directly from the tap and check the water level at a glance. The Dynamica allows you to use either whole beans thanks to its built-in conical grinder or pre-ground coffee via a dedicated compartment. Grind size, coffee strength, temperature, and serving volume can all be adjusted directly from the touchscreen, and the menu lets you save your favorite drinks for quick, personalized preparation. The milk frother is removable, easy to clean, and can be stored in the refrigerator between uses. It works with all types of milk, from whole and almond milk to oat or even flavored varieties. For drinks that require little or no milk, the frother can be replaced with a hot water dispenser. Cleaning is straightforward. The coffee grounds container can be removed and emptied, and the milk system automatically purges itself when the cleaning function is activated. This machine eliminates all the complexities of traditional espresso making. No need to tamp, measure, or control temperature, delivering a perfectly balanced coffee every time. In summary, the Dynamica is a highly versatile, practical, and high-performing coffee solution for anyone who wants to enjoy barista-quality beverages at home. It combines full automation, advanced customization, and easy maintenance, offering a professional coffee experience with no learning curve or hassle. And there you have it. We've covered the best automatic coffee machines that truly make life easier. I hope this video gave you some ideas to help you find the perfect machine for making great coffee at home, effortlessly. All the product links are in the description if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon in the next video.